You ever just have one of those days? We're running out to the shed to get some things. It's rather dark. Some lighting and a tripod. Okay, let's get back to this. I'll tell you right now, today is the day where nothing goes according to plan. Nothing I've planned, like last night as I was trying to fall asleep, or throughout the week, has happened today. So I get home and what do I see? Well, I didn't see, I heard. So I hear that sound in the garage and I'm like, I think it could possibly be from my water filter that I was working on just the week before to fix a leak coming out of the filter side. It's entirely possible. I messed something up, didn't glue in any of the PVC right. So that was my first thought. What I didn't come to realize though was the water heater. Water gushing out of this guy so much. I got a nice little performance platinum model, 50 gallons, 40,000 BTUs, a little bit more efficient than what I have now. I'm Mike, I'm real low dad, I do things myself. I loaded it up, I got it in there. I also loaded it in my car myself, only to be greeted with advertisements all over the side of the box of let us help you. It's 2 water lines and a gas line. It's not that hard. Now, disclaimer, if you've never worked with a natural gas line before and you don't feel comfortable doing it, hire it out. If you've never worked with plumbing before, don't start because plumbing sucks. But if you know how to sweat pipes and all that, bam, it's a really easy thing to do. So, hey, I'm in IT and I have a degree in finance. I should be able to handle this. My first pseudo DIY home improvement type video. I rarely will ever hire anything out except the garage door. I don't mess with those torsion springs. Those guys hopefully will be here Monday. Now it's time to clean up the garage, the mess I made, and continue on with what I actually had planned for this weekend now that it is pretty much over with. So hey, if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you again soon. Maybe with this, maybe with something else, who knows.